Look at that! That beautiful rainbow! Oh my god, that's beautiful. There is a rainbow after the rain. Thank you for watching. So after the rainbow in the afternoon, Lady Aurora came out in the evening. Good morning. We have to catch the sunrise, guys. Morning, guys. Well, see you again, Kuya Ray, Agarpawan family and friends. The Alberta Madman. Another set of labahan. Si Andy hindi tumulong. Meron pa akong susunod. Last week itong labahan ko na hindi natupi, guys.